distinguished guests, ASEAN colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege to represent my organization, the Vietnam Trade Promotion Agency, an export arm of the Ministry of Industry and Trade, to present to you here today about the current status and the prospects of the Vietnam design industry. You just heard about a very advanced design industry in ASEAN countries, but now you will hear the opposite. We have a design industry in an infant stage, and we are now still struggling with design. And but we hope that through this seminar you will find new opportunities to cooperate with Vietnam in design and make your own identity in the design industry in Vietnam, and by cooperating with Vietnamese designers, Vietnamese design firms and businesses. And to start with the development of Vietnam design industry, the industry started to develop since the 1990s after our economic reform. Before that time, you cannot hear the word of design in any conversation. And now the changing business environment creates a positive change in the awareness of the importance of branding and design in Vietnam. And to have an overview of our design industries, we have no design association yet. We have very few design consulting companies, and in design application we have only about 1,500 Vietnamese enterprises who have in-house design departments or divisions. So very few companies in terms compared to the 500,000 companies existing in Vietnam. For design training, we have only 15 training institutions, including universities, colleges, and vocational training centers. And about 2,000 design students graduated annually from those training institutions. And education quality are also questioned, as they are not systematically and not practical. And only half of the designers graduated from training will get the right job in their own field. And we have also little information about design publication, with no specialized design magazines. We just have information about fashion, interiors, not industrial or graphic design. So just kind of we lack of comprehensive information on the design and trend of design in the world. And but we have some creativities and good designers in fashion, in interior design, in architectural design. This is the design that win an international award. The whole complex is made of bamboo from natural resources and without any nail. And in product design, now companies are focusing on the packaging design, and we have not yet developed the true products that meet the requirements of the market. So there are many weaknesses of the Vietnam design industries. Vietnamese enterprises are now still focusing on the manufacturing side of productions, producing products designed by foreign companies, and but design gradually becomes an important factor, and we hope that in the future we can solve the problem of lack of design investment in products. We create more links between design and production, and create the international and internal networks for design, and hope that in the future we will have a national policy on design development, and we will have a design centers like our ASEAN colleagues in here to promote the design industry in Vietnam. And we will hope that human resources in design will be more and more, and they will have more capacity and more skills. So at present, our organization objectives is to raise awareness of design importance in cooperation with local media, with sharing design knowledge, promote success stories, and recognize design talents. We organize trainings to enhance design capacity, and we develop a design network for local designing consulting companies, business community, trade association, universities and training institutions, and foreign design organizations, so that we hope that we can establish a foundation for the future Vietnam industrial design associations, and also the development of the design industry in Vietnam. And we cooperate with KIDP in many activities over the past 2 years, in seminar and workshops in big cities in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. We have consultation sessions for our business enterprises with KIDP, and also we have workshops on teaching designers local designers to develop their own skills and capacities. So as a result, we have a good feedback from designers, from participants in those activities, and designers were happy with the international knowledge and the network that they gained from the practical seminar and workshops. And also businesses and participated in those seminars and workshops also intended to spend more on product design and development, and started to pay more attention on cooperation with local designers. So from the government point of view, we are an organization that in our mandate, we have no mandate on design development, but we see the importance of design, and we engage in those activities for the past several years. And we have making proposals to the governments in which, and in design, our point of view is that industrial design industry can only be sustainably developed if we can groom a generation of talented designers, and it is our responsibility to create an environment which value innovation and design, and giving opportunities for designers to transform their innovative ideas into products, and recognizing their talents and helping designers to form their forces. And we hope that with the support of all ASEAN colleagues, and also the Korean partners. We will create a ASEAN Korea Design Network or Alliance, and to form our forces. And also we create a design award for good design in ASEAN and Korea regions, so that designers can learn from each other, can take the opportunities that they have in different markets and share their knowledge and share their abilities, and take into new ventures in their lives. And we still hope that KIDP will support us in all the design training and also design informations, about sharing information on design, and support our local design bulletins and design exhibitions. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank KIDP for your support to VIETRADE over the last 2 years. And I also thank our KIDP staff for your efforts in organizing this seminar.